G'day traders, 1 minute mindset reset. Today we're talking about acorns turning into oak trees. So one of the things that I've messaged back and forth with some traders, they talk about the catching bigger moves and going for 100 or 130 pips or 150 pips, whatever they may be, and obviously there's lots of different trading setups that we can all utilize, and one of the things that I focused on was duplicatable, scalable setups. And the purpose of that was one of the things that I learned from a couple of traders was the power of scalping high probability / possibility moves, whether it was 25, 50, 75. Obviously gold, Nasdaq, oil, some of the major pairs, when they blow off or when they capitulate, they'll go more than 25 quite vertically fast. Especially gold, Nasdaq, they can go 100 pips in less than 15 minutes in some cases. So acorns, these small trades are the small trades that can be scaled up in size. And I know there are traders that said, well, you're just taking on more risk. And no, when you're scaling up through your consistency and your results, your risk is still the same. If you're whatever percent you're risking or whatever dollar amount you're risking, if you're increasing that relative to your account size and your results on certain setups, and I've talked about obviously looking for size on level 3 type trades, and people say, well, what is level 3 and 3 pushes and the difference? Go back and watch that video. When we get markets that have expanded out 3 levels in one session and it's the 3rd week, and it could be the high of the year or the low of the year. Those markets have the potential, maybe first red day, a day 1, day 2, day 3 setup. There's massive opportunities, the same as it is after Asia, London, New York, high of the day, low of the day. They may go in the entire range of the day. But what really impacted my trading was locking in profits and getting off the screen, not giving it back. So a lot of traders are seeing the power of that now. Instead of trying to get pips and see how many pips I can get, my trading was completely transformed when I focused on the setups and scaling my setups up in size. So, instead of trying to get 50 to 100 pips in a trade, now I can take 25 pips and be making 5 times as much money as I was trying to get on a 50 or 100 pip trade, because it was a scalable setup. And again, then understanding which setups were powerful for me. So I've just gradually kept peeling back the onion. I only want to trade stuff where I have the highest possibility of having that trade come to fruition. And when you're compounding that amount in terms of your account size and relative to your leverage and everything else, acorns can turn into oak trees. That's what changed my whole demeanor with trading, my results, and keeping it in my account and growing my account, and then seeing how you can make a lot of money. So again, I've talked about traders, they've talked, well, how much is a lot of money? It's all relative. It's your lifestyle, your expenses, what you want. Some people just want to pay their bills. Other people have big bills. Some people just want to create a second income. Some people just want to pay their rent, whatever. Some people want to make millions of dollars. That's all relative. It's all relative, but the process is reproducible. The results are scalable. That was always my approach. How can I make as much money from trading less, not doing stupid things, not being stressed, maxing out the opportunities when they do present, and knowing which ones can be really scaled up or added into to hold on for the big ride. So hopefully you got value from that today, traders. Again, just emphasizing the difference between pips and scalable trade setups where acorns can turn into oak trees. Have a great session today. Keep it simple. Always act in your best interest when you're at the screen, and may the markets go with you.